Greek companies have a great benefit of a very good human capital, as well as experience under difficult conditions in the Greek market. So I believe that in a strange way they have a very good solid background in order to expand internationally. What we have to be aware is that we do that in a non-Greek way, and by that I mean that we have to act by international standards, make sure that we follow the global trends, not only in the development and technical side, but mostly in marketing and sales, which is areas that the Greek firms have not traditionally done very well. So I think these are the areas that they should focus, and yes, they have a great potential once they do that.
Some of the biggest companies in the mobile sector have been Greek companies, and our own experience from working internationally certainly shows that it is possible. Having said that, it's not an easy task, and it certainly poses a challenge, but we're not the ones to turn down a challenge, and we certainly like them.
Greek firms already are doing this in the field of mobile advertising and marketing. We have companies like Velti, Upstream, InternetQ, Newsphone, Globo that are selling their services globally, and we have many other firms, smaller firms, that are also coming, and they are also very winning in the international markets. Worpley, IST, Phasmetrics, Intelen are some of these companies. All of them, they are creating the Hellenic mobile cluster, an ecosystem which has also research and academics and support the whole field.
Are actually quite good at delivering excellent products with at very low budget and with excellent quality.
Yes, Greek companies can do it, because also in Greece there are some other elements that should be considered. For example, there is huge amount wealth of scientific personnel, engineers. We have brains here, so we utilize those brains in order to provide new services. Also, there is high know-how related to the banking sector in Greece, and we utilize this rich know-how in order to expand to other markets.
Greek companies have the tools, have the means, and definitely have the creativity and the will to dominate global markets.
Every Greek firm has to rely on flexibility, innovation and extroversion in order to overcome the obstacles imposed by the overwhelming economic crisis in recent years, especially at the domestic level.
It's not important where companies come from. What is important is that companies should innovate, should do new things in a different way. They should invent and reinvent the way they're doing things. This is important.